Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn another example which is already asked in GATE. Right, so what is that? This is your question that air that means ideal gas, right? Number first point, air in my dear student, in GATE maximum question asked related to ideal gas. So air, this is your air held in non-insulated, that means there is a chance of heat transfer cylinder using piston mass 25 kg, area 100 centimeter square, and stoppers. There is a stopper which have negligible area, that means approximately there is a point contact, no problem. As shown in figure, there is a figure. The inlet inlet pressure P1 and temperature T1. So the inlet pressure, that means the initial, this is initial pressure P1 and this is your inlet temperature T1, right, of air inside the cylinder are, this is the numerical value, 200 kilopascal and 400 degrees centigrade respectively. The ambient pressure P naught and temperature also given. The ambient pressure is 100 kilopascal and ambient temperature 72 degrees centigrade. The temperature of air inside the cylinder at which the piston begin to move. That means what is the temperature inside the cylinder at which the piston will begins to move down, right? So what is that? There is a, this is a situation. So there is a piston cylinder arrangement, right? This is your cylinder, all right, and this is your piston, engine cylinder piston. Have, there is a stops here. Above it there is a stops. This is your stops of negligible area where the at surrounding pressure P naught is equal to 100 kilopascal, and what is the temperature? T naught is equal to 27 degrees centigrade, right? Okay, this is given, and air, there is inside, there is a air inside it. So this is our system. Okay, so this is our system, and there is a chance to heat transfer, that means the cylinder is non-insulated. So in this there is a chance of heat transfer, there is a chance of heat transfer or the, or inside, that means the area also given, is that, what is that? In, initial pressure inside it is 200 kilopascal and temperature, initial temperature 400 degrees centigrade. So this is initial condition is given, right? And system is what? This is your closed system. This is your closed system, and what is that? Air, which is act as ideal gas, right? So air, which is an ideal gas. Now, if you draw a PV diagram here, so this is your P and this is your V. So this is the pressure, outside pressure, and this is your inside pressure, right? And the, there is a gravity direction also in question given, which is 10 meter per second right? And also the mass of the piston is given. Mass of the piston is given how much? 25 kg, and cross section area is also given how much? 100 centimeters, right? This is for piston, right? Now, first of all, you think that what is the situation is that, see, the so if you draw a free body diagram, free body diagram, so see what is the outside pressure. So outside pressure is due to atmosphere and weight of the piston, right? It is due to atmosphere and weight of the piston. Now, this atmospheric pressure is and weight of the piston is downward, and what is the inside? There is a inside pressure 200. So if you calculate this, since the pressure on outside piston is given, what is that? P naught plus pressure of piston. Why? Because see, this is your system. See, this is your system, right? Here, and on this system there is atmospheric pressure, right? Equally, what is it? P naught. And also there is a weight, piston matlab weight due to piston. So also they it's apply weight, but due to weight of the piston, that means pressure due to piston. So this total pressure will exert downward direction, and the inside pressure is 200 kilopascal, right? So what is that? This is your 100 plus mg by a into 10 to the power minus 3. Why? Because we taken kilopascal. So if you calculate 100, put what is the mass? 25 g10 divided by what is the a? 100 cross 10 to the power minus 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. What is the value? 125 kilo pascal. So if, see, my dear student, if there is a piston, on this piston, this is your 200 kilopascal, right? And outside is 125 kilopascal. So there may be chance that piston will move up, but piston will doesn't move up. Why? Because the stopper will never allow. But piston does not move up because stops does not because stop does not, right? So stop does not. So that means 75 kilopascal will just balance the stops to prevent it. Why? Because when how much pressure it will move up, the pressure will move up at a 75 kilopascal. So this is your condition. So when the pressure is below 200 degrees centigrade, 200 kilopascal, when the inside pressure is below 200 kilopascal, then there is a chance that the piston will move down. Why? Because the upper pressure, outside pressure is only 125, so this is not a sufficient to move down. Why? Because inside pressure is 200 kilopascal. So if then it must be heat reject to the system. That means there is not a force fully the piston will move down. Why? Because this pressure, this outside pressure will less and inside pressure is more. So how can it move down? So when it is moved down, if it is possible that we supply heat from the system to the surrounding, so the system will cool down, and the system will cool down and system boundary temperature will like a compress it. So how much temperature of the system, so question asking is that how much temperature of the system will drop from 400 degrees centigrade to final temperature that the piston will start to move down. So the question is like that, beta. The the temperature of of air inside the cylinder, at piston will which piston will begin to move. That means it just start to move. It just start to move down. So this is your motivation to do it. Okay. So when since the cylinder is non-insulated, it will lose heat to surrounding and its temperature will reduce. So from this temperature, let's suppose the final temperature of the system is T2 will reduce. Consequently, its pressure also will reduce. So its pressure will also will reduce. Why? Because it is ideal gas. PV is equal to RT. If you consider like that, so if temperature will reduce, pressure also reduce. So the pressure will reduce from 200 kilopascal. When the pressure will reduce, so we need to find the temperature when the pressure inside the cylinder drops to 1 to, so when it will just move, so when it just move down, when it move just down. When it moves just down, when its pressure its pressure will decrease to 120 kilopascal, right? That means when 200 kilopascal pressure will reaches down to 120 kilopascal, then piston start to move down. So this is your initial pressure, this is your final pressure, right? Okay, so will also decreases from 200 kilopascal. So we need to find the temperature when the pressure inside cylinder drops to 125 kilometer. Since volume of the cylinder remains constant during this process of heat rejection by the cylinder, so up to this, see, very important, up to this, when the pressure will reduces like 200 to 180, 170, 160, 150, pressure, it's never lose the contact. But when it just reach to 125 kilometer, it's 125 kilopascal, the piston will lose its contact. Piston will lose its contact. So at that point, the volume will remain same. The volume of the system remains same. Why? Because it just start, so volume will remain same. So just start to move down, that means initial pressure 200 kilopascal to final pressure 125 kilopascal, right? Initial temperature 400 degrees centigrade to what temperature T2 you have to find it, and the volume V1 is equal to V2. Why? Because it just to move down, just start. So you apply ideal gas equation, PV is equal to mRT. This is closed system, closed system, so mass is fixed. So if you apply from point P1 V1 by R T1 to P2 V by R T2, same gas, mass is fixed, volume is fixed, so it will cancel out. Same gas, it will cancel out. So what is the pressure P1? 200. What is the temperature at which? 400 plus 273, always put in Kelvin. P2 is what? 125 divided by T2, you have to calculate it. So what is the temperature, final temperature? 420.625 Kelvin. So what is the degree centigrade? 147.625 degrees centigrade. So when its temperature reaches to just below the 50 degrees centigrade, so initial temperature 200 degrees centigrade, if this temperature is 147, approximately 148 degrees centigrade, So at this temperature of the system, the piston will start to move down. Start to move down. Right? Okay. So thank you very much.